looks like a glacier and a cruise ship merging together. Yes, it's by architect Frank Gehry. So the top is supposed to be this blue structure with the red and white stripes. This is the Chelsea Piers. Lots of stuff going on in the middle. So there it is, the eighth wonder of the world, the Brooklyn Bridge. We've also got a great view of downtown Brooklyn. We have people from all over the world that live here. In fact, beautiful day in New York City. Perfect day on the water. So we're leaving Pier 78. We are on our way. Hi everyone. Hi. I'm walking around and saying hi to everybody. Once again, my name's Rachel. Hi. I'm your It's got the red brick building before 1992 and 1954. 12.5 million people from fans. His son was an immigrant. He came from the island of Nieves. He 32 skyscrapers and all that. That's the other end of it. They're free, so that's cool, right? It's well worth it. So if you want to go to the vessel, you can see all the cranes. So lots of good. So the red and white boat, that's called the 343. To me, 32 skyscraper. Gentlemen, boys and girls, it's been so much fun. Thank you for joining us. I really, really am glad you had such a good time. Thank you. And thank you on behalf of Horn. Again, tall strawberry blonde on the captain's hat. I'll be on the dock, so if you've got questions, ask me at the dock, okay? You'll see me down there. Grazie mille. Mahalo. Cheers. It's such a good time. Make sure you check where you've been sitting. Make sure you've got all your personal belongings. I know when it's raining, it's easy to forget things. So, as it was the tour boats that rescued most of those passengers. So, give my guys and gals a hand. Woo! Yes. Okay. So we are coming to a close, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Did everyone enjoy the tour? Yeah. If you enjoyed everything you need, all your personal belongings. I want to thank you all on behalf of Hornblower Cruises and Events for choosing New York as your vacation destination. So I want to thank you on behalf of Hornblower Cruises and Events. Now check your seats. Make sure you've got all your personal belongings. Ground Zero. This is Battery Park City. We're going to exit from deck 2. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining us. Really, it was so much fun. And sincerely, I hope